Hey guys, Eddie here from Deline Property. Today we're in Brisbane again. We're checking out some more properties. This property right here, we're doing a small renovation on. So let's go check it out. So this property, as we walk in, is definitely an ugly duckling house. This property here, it's about half an hour from Brisbane, and we're picking up on behalf of one of our clients. So this property does need a little bit of work, as you can see. I'll show you through, but basically it needs a new kitchen replaced. It needs work in the bathroom and some small tidies up, touches up here and there and around the property. So it's a bit worse for wear, but this property we picked up as an amazing price. We were able to negotiate this thing down to $146,000, and when we put tenants in there, probably we rented for about $250 a week. So that's about a 9% rental yield, which is amazing. So looking at the property, this is the actual living room area here. Then if we come over here, we've got the kitchen, and as you can see, it's very worse for wear. The property, so this kitchen is going to be completely replaced. So the kitchen itself, stoves overall okay, but the kitchen's going to be completely replaced. The renovation on this is going to cost around $4,500 roughly, and that's for the complete kitchen, for labour, for costs, and all that kind of stuff. Here we have the hallway right here. So we've got the hallway coming in here. We've got the laundry room. So overall, laundry room's not bad itself. Hallway, overall the carpets is not too bad. Like, it is livable. It will, we'll get it cleaned most likely. As we walk through the property, this is the overall main bedroom. So we're going to get some new blinds in here. The tenants most of the time bring their own blinds. And it's got a fan, built-in wardrobes, which is cool. So the wardrobes itself, nothing beautiful, but this thing is about half an hour from Brisbane, and it costs $146,000 in 2018. This is an unbelievable buy. It's been a lot of work to get this property across the line. If the client's watching, they'll definitely know how much work this deal's been. But it's an amazing buy. Properties in this complex have sold 2-bedroom units like this for $180,000, $175,000, and this one we're getting $146,000, 25 minutes to Brisbane, and you're about 40 minutes to Gold Coast. So this is the second bedroom. One of the issues up here is the paint peeling. So the paint peeling on the actual roof, that's getting fixed up. Small little bits around the property is getting fixed up. So, and then when we come in here, we've got the bathroom, which there's no lights on at the moment, but tiles getting fixed up around the bottom. It's actually got a brand new toilet, and the vanity itself is pretty good too. So the vanity's been replaced, and the shower, it's got loose tiles in the shower, which we're getting replaced, and everything as well. So yeah, renovation about $4,500. But this property we picked up, we originally had it negotiated for $149,500, and then due to the scope of work that had to be done, we were able to negotiate a further price reduction of $3,500. And bear in mind the renovation on this cost $4,500, and we were able to get $3,500 off the actual price through a price reduction. So technically the renovation cost us $1,000, which added fact to that is it makes it even better for tax deductions, because you get to claim the client's going to get to claim $4,500 back in terms of renovation costs, but they're only really out of pocket $1,000. So yeah, as we do one more lap through the property, that's the living room. As I said, half an hour to Brisbane, $146,000. Rent, we're going to be able to put rent minimum $240, maybe $260, say $250 in the middle there. Would be a good starting point, but this is an amazing buy. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, send them through. We'll try to get some uploaded videos and some photos of what the kitchen looks like once it's totally redone, and then we can get a tenant there right away for a client. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.